Applications of Radioactive Isotopes. Medical imaging used to diagnose diseases. Example, technetium-99m used for brain and lung scans. Radiocarbon dating carbon-14 is used to find the age of organic material. Example, wood, bones, fossils. Older samples have less carbon-14 used to date historical remains. Carbon-14C14 is found in all living things. When something dies, it stops taking in carbon and the C14 inside starts to decay. By measuring how much C14 is left, scientists can tell how old the object is. Industry test strength of metals and concrete, detect leaks in pipelines, energy used to generate nuclear power, medicine, treat cancer, thyroid disorders, etc. Ionization by radiation. Radiation can remove electrons from atoms, creates ions. Example, sodium gain energy and convert into sodium ion universe and elements. The same elements found on Earth are present in the entire universe. Example, elements found on Mars are similar to those on Earth. Try to answer these questions in order to know your grip on Chapter